Hello, welcome. How to fold a bandana like a chola. How to wear a bandana like a chola. What? Someone is whispering something. Yes? Bandana like a gangster. Hold up. While even the cocks are stating what exactly we are doing. So, do you have your bandana with you? I'm hoping it is not in any different shape from this. It should not be circular or like a pizza box. Well, this is my bandana of the day, and let's make the magic happen. So you need a flat surface if you cannot do it perfectly on air like a pro. Making the magic happen now. Well, it is like this. Just fold it into two. From the top, from one corner, take it not to this corner like this. No, it's a no. It's not like this, but from this corner to the bottom like that, to form something like this. Remember, this part is very important, so make sure it is like this. With our bandana like that, there are some do's and don'ts that we have to make sure we comply with to have that perfect bandana style. So, like for instance, in this case, this side should be on top. That is, we should not place it inside out. It's like wearing a cloth inside out. It will actually look very weird, and unless that's the style of the dress or the shirt or whatever you're putting on, but in this case you have to make sure it is on the right side. Okay, so for my case I did it the other way around so as to show you. So just turn it the same way we did. You place your bandana like that, have it forming like a diamond. This is a gift to you, a diamond. So forming like a diamond like that, and then drop the topmost part going down to the bottom part. Oh, that is also an easier way of folding a bandana. Okay, forming a diamond, and then the topmost part you place it, you drop it down. You drop it down, and so after that we have two styles, two manners in which we can fold this bandana to achieve our goal of the day. And so the first style on how to fold the bandana is, while it is still like that, I've already shown you two hacks on how to fold it this way, and this now is another hack on how to fold it. The first, in your flat surface, having placed it there, fold it just once. There's some people who love perfection. So in this part, once you have folded it like this, you can now iron it. Iron your bandana if that's what you want. Having folded the bandana like that, you can actually do that, or remember this part, I told you it is important. This is the time we have been waiting for. You have to fold it now to the topmost like that. So we have the bandana looking this manner, in this manner from this side, and then the other side it is like this. So if you want to still iron, this is also another part. You can iron it, smoothen it, make sure, but don't burn it. You know, tragedies, they do happen at times, even when you don't want, but in this case we don't want that to happen. So the other manner in which you can actually tie it before we place it on our heads is simple. The same way it is like this. Remember, we're not folding this way. We are forming a diamond and then dropping from top to down like this and forming a snack. It actually looks like a snack. And also making sure it's not opposite. So guys, please like this video. And also comment, tell me something in the comment section. Share the video with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. You can just share it out, and then make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can know whenever I upload amazing content. Okay, so let's continue. The other manner, once you're folding it from the top to bottom, the same way we did. Don't let it get to the very bottom. You see, let it form like a V towards the center so that you can be able to balance it. I hope you're seeing that here in my ends it's not reaching to the very corner, the other corner. So once you've done that, you fold the first time a small bit, iron if you want to iron, and then fold a second time, iron if you want to iron. So a small size. But the next one here is where the mystery is. So the next one, you fold it. Is it the mystery or the magic? You fold it a little bit bigger. Is it a little bit all bigger? A little bit, yeah, bigger like that. You see? You have folded it up to that point. I hope you are with me. It almost dropped. That's why I'm talking of placing it somewhere instead of trying to do your things in the air as if you can float. But some people are floating. So the next one is this important tail that we have right here. Now it's time you fold it up. Like that. You see, there's some difference from the one we folded and this one. There's quite some difference. I don't know which one you prefer. You can tell me in the comment section the one that you prefer. You can see from both sides. This is how it looks. Now bring your head. Now place on your head. Make sure your hair is well kept towards the back in a manner that it's not going to disturb you and whatever you're doing. And then get right into it. With this side, I'll show you different ways in which to place it. So in this side, you can now place this side facing up, right there. And then make sure it lies on your ears, like that. Then make a knot at the back. Two, so that it doesn't come out. And there you go. Then place it, if you've got a forehead, place it onto the forehead. But let's improvise. You guys say I'm looking at you, but I am looking at you. So I want us, while I'm showing you the next way in which you place it, I just place it while having folded it the other way, in the big size, the one that I showed you as the first step of doing just one and then placing the second one like that. You place it very close to your eyes. I'm sorry I'm looking this side because my mirror is on this side. Very close, like that. You can see from this side. And then the way you did it, now make your knot at the back, or you can choose to pull it like this and then stick it inside. Okay, so you tighten, but let me just do the knot for now. You see? I hope that was easy for you. Talk to me in the comment section. And so with your shades, not these ones, but these ones you're just improvising for the moment. Told you I can't see you. I am looking at you. The good thing of having dark ones is you can be looking at someone and they're not even seeing. You're looking all sides, staying alert. So you see, like that. But then we also have those who prefer to place this onto the side. Others even pull it this close to the eyes. Hmm? So there's so many ways in which you want to ensure you have it. Placing it at right there. Hmm? Others will just push it to the side. Like this video, share, subscribe, and let's catch up on the next upload.